Hey everybody, I'm so glad to be back with you. As most of you know, I am Miss Paxton, but I am going to be filling in for this semester as your online math teacher. Mrs. Brown has decided to leave the school district to travel more with her husband, and Miss Bailiff is taking over her class as far as the in-classroom teacher. So you guys are stuck with me for the math course for this semester. I'm really excited to be a part of it. I'm a little out of practice with all the video making that I had to do last spring, but I'm sure that you guys will show some forgiveness on that part. But I am excited to be a part of the math class, and I know that you guys are too. We're going to have a lot of fun together this semester. But I just want to go through some things that we're going to do this semester and what it's going to look like. So the first thing is the time I have allotted for this class may not match up with when you are supposed to take it or what your schedule says. And some of you guys may not even have it on your schedule yet. We are still working through some of those kinks here at the high school. But it will be on there. You will get credit for taking this math class because a lot of you need it to graduate and a lot of you need it to stay on pace with where you're supposed to be. So your schedule will look different hopefully by tomorrow because you should be watching this on Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. So hopefully by tomorrow everything will be fixed and everybody's schedule will look like it should. But it might not be the time that you normally have it. We will meet every black day during 6th hour. 6th hour here at the high school. It starts around 11:45 and it goes till 1:23. Now, we will not use that entire time. Most of the time, we will Zoom around noon and maybe Zoom for like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. And if there's a lesson to do, or you will work through some of that stuff on your own independent time. Now, our first Zoom meeting will start on Wednesday, Wednesday the 13th at noon. All right, so mark your calendars or mark a date or something because your Canvas course isn't up yet. So I'm hoping by the time we give it till Wednesday that we can have Canvas up and going and we will be able to Zoom and go through a lot of those things together, and I will be able to show you the Canvas course. We will also be using a website called IXL. I know some of you guys are familiar with that or should have some form of that, but IXL is the best way for me to assess your progress, how you're doing independently, besides just going through the assignments. All right. I'm excited to get this course going. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything I can do. Also, I will be setting everybody up along with your parents into a Remind group. That Remind I'll send out text messages of when things are due or when we're Zooming, but I also will send that out through email. It'll also be on Canvas, so you'll have no excuse not to know when we are Zooming or when we're not Zooming. But our first Zoom will be on next Wednesday at noon. And we won't Zoom every math class, but we will Zoom probably once a week or maybe twice a week, depending if it's a 3-day week. All right, so let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I'm excited to get this started, and I know that it'll be a fun semester. All right, we'll see you guys soon.